My page, when I see the two man in my kitchen, when I put it as pink wall, Derval a kiss man. Derval a kiss man. People now run out. Watch the two man in my kiss on TikTok. Derval. They want to hold Derval and give them couple lick. Guys, everybody run a jungle. When look on Derval, anybody know Derval? There, him a kiss man. Kiss man. Type up a scream guy. Derval and TikTok a kiss man. Derval and TikTok a kiss man. And Derval must think about it. Derval must think about it. Come on guys. Derval must think about it. On the top of the screen and send some roses to Uncle. Please me I beg you. Come on guys. Send 2 roses for me. 2 roses guys. 2 roses. Derval a kiss man. Derval is kissing a man on TikTok. Derval kissing a man on TikTok. Kissing a man on TikTok. And we have sell pussy. The girl may sell pussy on TikTok. So if you want your pussy, if you buy, just link her now. And she do everything. She do blow job. She do body wash. Do every fucking thing. Yes. You can't suffer for his clothes too, you know. You can't suffer for clothes, you know. If you sell a town, you sell a load, you can't get a load. If you sell ear, you can't get a ear. Because she do exchange for your pussy. She do exchange for your pussy. So you can't exchange clothes for your pussy. You can't exchange ear for your pussy, anything. That she do. So you can't do that. Anything you want exchange via pussy. You have ear exchange. You can have if you sell ear, any type of business you have, you can exchange and you get a front. You get a front. Easy girl. It's an easy girl. You can get a front with suck. Yes, and just when I don't fuck her, just kick her in her pussy. Her pussy tired. Yeah. Anybody can run out with a little tired pussy girl. Wanna run out tonight and drop her flowers. Drop her roses, drop her anything you want, drop it for the dead girl. She do body washing, she do mouth. She do mouth to mouth. She gaggle bar, she deep short, anything you want. She do body wash, she do everything. So no drop her rose guys, she do body washing. She scream cocky, she do everything pan cocky. So not send her the gift them now. She do cocky dusting, cocky cleaning, everything. Drop the roses them. Derval do body wash too. Derval do the body wash. Yeah. Do body wash, but he have to pay for the clean the rifle, you know. He have to pay for the rifle cleaning. She have to pay for the cocky cleaning. Yes. So guys, you know, drop all the flowers them. Any amount of things you can send Derrick tonight. Go up on our page. We don't know number for you. Just go up on our page. Go up on our page. Go on our page. Go up on our page. Go up on our page. Go up on our page. We don't know about that. Thank you. Come on for this. Come on for this junk. Come on for this dark shit. Come on for this. Come in away at talk. Come on. Get off. Hey, miss, you're so cocky too. You're so pussy. Watch the page. Don't ask me a blood clot page. You mix up, girl. Don't ask me a bomber clot. I look like you suck pussy. Your juice, you take pussy juice to your blood clot mouth. So we want people. Don't come with a mix up stinking pussy, girl. Right now, don't come here so dead dog. Make a black your blood clot. Run off of this junk. Run off of this blood clot. Run off of this. Come off of this blood clot. Come off of this. A pussy if we suck too. Come on for this. Come on for this, blood clot. So guys, I don't want a woman come here to come out but body pasted. Like look here, you see if you suck girl pussy, no come here, sir. If you suck girl pussy, you want pussy sperm in your blood clot, but don't come here, so. Oh, no come here, so. Guys, there's a batty boy we then catch him a kiss man on TikTok. You see him picture out batty man Derval. Then catch me suck up my tongue. You know see the picture. Run out and put up a picture of a pink wall. Derval suck up my tongue. The mad boy suck up the man tongue. When I came to Bellevue, you want to go Bellevue, the dead dog go Bellevue. But me not the time for Derval, you know. Derval a madman. We want to hold Derval, man. You should everybody know drop a rose for you, you know. Drop a rose for your Uncle Derrick, please, Anton. Drop a roses, please. Drop a roses if you want to hear about. Drop a rose if you want to hear about the boy will then catch a suck out the next man's tongue. It depends on TikTok. I'm going to go search with feed. Go for my prison seed. A girl will talk about mix up. Big old girl. Rubber banana old girl. Don't call me name. Banana old girl, don't call me blood clot name. Banana old girl, don't call me blood clot name. Hear me I tell you? Don't call me name. Please, don't call me name. Don't call me name. Hello.
Look, we get Derrick. Derrick!
Hey, Skunt, how are you?
What is that Derrick with you,
Hi, Skunt.
Derrick, show your face.
This is
doesn't want to show his
not
face.
Derrick.
Who is you?
Who is me?
Who's he?
Peter.
Okay, tell Peter, Lutus, we got tell him.
Hi, Skunt.
And, number one.
Suck your mother.
Number two.
Number two.
Hold on.
Hey, Peter!
I forgot the other
Suck
one.
your mother.
What's the other one? I forgot. Got the other word.
Rick,
Means.
where's Andrew?
Who's Auntie Man? Who's Auntie Man? Auntie Man. Who's Auntie
Don't worry
Man?
till you chat. Well, let me teach you. Don't worry till you chat. You're going to confuse yourself.
Auntie Man.
Andrew!
He's hiding. Yes.
Chat, this is a triple. Who teaching over there, man? This girl wait to comment and make me friggin' run mad, yeah.
What?
Do not wait till you comment.
Pakalu.
Oh my God.
What's Pakalu? What's Pakalu?
Andrew!
What's
Andrew!
Pakalu?
Hey girl, stop now. Yeah, who didn't she comment? Chat all who didn't she comment to teach her block them this over to?
What's Pakalu? Prakta.
Oh my God. Curry lover!
Donna tastes good cake.
Hey, you have to tell the Jamaicans to go and suck their mother.
Why?
That's how you chat to them.
What suck your mother mean?
Ask him.
What suck your mother mean? Can you tell me?
It means
Which one
God
is
bless
it?
you.
Which one is it? You need to stop it.
What suck your mother mean?
Devin!
I want to know.
Devin, big up yourself, brother. Hey, man, Devin, Khalil lover.
What does
Tell
that
me
mean?
Monday I have to bring her back on my people. Let me feel gallery, right?
I want to know. Not a good word. It is not a good word. I'm not saying suck your mother anymore.
Yes, tell him it don't. Tell him that. Tell him it's stop it.
No more suck your mother.
Right. Andrew.
Yeah, tell him that.
Andrew.
I'm 34.
Oh my God. Who's questioning Chi over there, man? Them
No
Guyanese people
more.
is nosy bad, man.
No more.
Listen, me going for them two this afterward.
Hey.
Stop up scream, guy. Hello. So I'm only going to Uncle Prison Tank.
Let's go.
Yeah, man, everybody can agree. No. Yeah, everybody can agree.
Green.
Tap up the scream, guy. Tap the scream.
Why you teach me all the bad words? Why can't you teach me the good words, huh?
Tell him
I
good. Tell
am
him
teaching you
good.
the good word.
You teach me good words in Guyanese so I could greet my dad and surprise him.
I think somebody named 6 mute over here already.
I want
or
to surprise.
black
I
over
want to
here.
surprise my grandma and my dad. You teach me good words.
Okay, good words.
Where you from?
Hey, you
Guyanese.
too old for the girl. You know, see how you quink up?
I'm Guyanese and Puerto Rican.
It's only come a Guyanese.
Puerto Rican.
Oh, me come a Guyana next month.
Now come here. Me want
Yeah.
box you behind your bumbo clot here. Don't come Guyana.
Bomba clock? What's bomba clock mean?
He's a batty man. That's what you mean.
Ay. So much words.
I know you can't remember. All right, Devin. Hey, man. Kyle over Cindy.
Too much words.
All right, here what? Me left. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Tap of scream, guy. Tap of scream, guy. Tap of scream. Me say all who talk about blood clot, I'm gonna come eat up my hole. I want to put down a blood clot face. I tell me I want to put down a blood clot and shit down the hole. Hear me I tell you no? Hear me a blood clot tell you no? I want shit down the hole and piss down the front. If you have a pussy, me piss down it. Me piss down the nasty hole. And that me I tell you no dog shit. Drunk crow, crowbit, slime bucket, every arms out, every crabbles down the hole. When I don't call me blood clot name. Drunk or crowbit dog shit. Hear me I tell you no? Don't call me blood clot name. Don't call me bumbo clot name. Dog shit. Drunk or crowbit. Every shit down the blood clot hole. Don't grump me a blood clot. Top up his cream. Triple JJ, how you do? A Derrick. Triple JJ, a Derrick. A Derrick, one Derrick Morgan, one blood clot there on it. No, I want to brush your pussy. I want to cut them. I want to take a whopper. I want to take a whopper and wrapper and wrap up all of them on your front and spit in your blood clot hole. And spit in your blood clot hole. Yeah, spit in your hole. Come off of this. Come off of this blood clot. Come off of this. Come off of this junko. Come off of this, your blood clot, yo. Come off of this dog shit. You don't need to come here, son. You need to come here, son, blood clot. Yeah. You need to come here, son. You need to come here, son, blood clot. I smell like shit. Don't wrap up your son pussy. Now come here, look at my phone. No, come here, so. Now some rotten hole, some rotten wood pies to hole, some dead hole, all all lean to the cemetery tomorrow.
We are this man, you know, we are accepting for your match, right? For your something for. Eh? You say that play more match with me?
No, I tell you, you're not playing more match with you. No, but what means me say me not play? Me not play a match with you, and because you're quarrel.
No, you say people they say me play a match with me, and you tell me now see the screenshot. You tell me now see the screenshot.
Me not busy with nobody want to tell me. Me talking to you out of my mom. Me not busy with you want to say auntie. But screenshot.
I know me. I listen. Me listen the voice note. The record, screen record.
Auntie, don't say sorry, auntie. You're quite over Derval to Derval forgive giver.
I'm not quite Derval because the Derval gift me already. Can me go give Derval gift.
Derval can't give Derval poor.
And I say, you know Derval can't. I let me beg Derval gift a Derval pastor and give me gift, you know. And then first Derval a pastor and give me gift.
Derval don't have it, but Derval pastor and give
Derval give me part in birthday, something with it. And I'll give me gift as we come. I mean, give me birthday match.
The man importing. Look, you know, the Derval keep birthday party.
Yes, I have it, I beg Derval. I don't beg Derval, not. I don't beg Derval, not.
And if we can't bother with you, I want to honor you.
No, but I should beg Derval, not that Derval come through and give me gift. I have quite some beg Derval something.
I beg right now, auntie. I beg auntie. We can't bother with you, auntie. We can't bother with you.
The two we have beg. Yeah, some of me have to beg come in a shop. The two we have beg. The two of the life I beg. I want me to get gift you a coil and say people might give me. Can't do that.
Auntie, if you get later, because I can't bother with you. Can't bother with you. Because the man poor and she I run about Derval and Derval I want poor look up where we don't have it. And she take for poor people. Yeah. Auntie attack. Everybody say, when everybody auntie say about, you can't take things from people, when I have it. The craving man. Blood clot, so good, girl. I 42 to me pay for my blood clot was so good. So toggle ball dark shit, you know. I 42 to me pay for my blood clot rent. When I come suck out me hole. Oh. 42 to me pay for my rent. Oh. If you out on TikTok to pay me rent, you don't come and eat me. You me I tell you no? Junk crow. Oh. Dead meat.
Hi Derrick, what's up?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, mommy answer you. Me there, you know, me there.
You good?
Yeah, me good.
Contribute to the alright, big up yourself.